Want to make quick and easy payments using your Revolut 18 card with a tap? Paying contactless is super convenient for everyday purchases. In this guide, I'll show you how to pay contactless with your Revolut 18 card. To pay contactless with your physical Revolut 18 card, first, ensure your card is activated. For the first contactless transaction, you might need to make a chip and PIN purchase. After that, contactless should work seamlessly. When you're at a contactless payment terminal, look for the contactless symbol. Simply tap your Revolut 18 card against the reader. For smaller amounts, you usually won't need to enter your PIN. For larger amounts, you might be prompted to enter your PIN. Finally, if you've added your Revolut 18 card to Apple Pay or Google Pay, you can also make contactless payments using your smartphone or smartwatch by holding your device near the reader and authenticating with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. And there you have it. Paying contactless with Revolut 18 is fast and convenient. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.